What is up, Heidies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make aloe vera gel at home. This is a very easy recipe. As y'all already know, aloe vera is great for your skin. It's great for your hair. If you have dry scalp, it's awesome for moisturizing and nourishing your scalp. It's also good for your skin if you have eczema, dry skin, itchy skin. It's great for your skin. And also if you're constipated, you can use some aloe vera oil to relieve your body. Okay, so right now I'm just going ahead and cutting off the spiky parts from the aloe. Once I'm done cutting off the spiky edges from the aloe, I go ahead and I blend this all together. I blend it real good. Once I'm done blending it, I'm gonna take 1 cup of this mixture with 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I thought I recorded that clip, but I guess not. So that's 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1 cup of the blended mixture. And I'm just going to put it on the stove and go ahead and bring that to a boil. And you're just gonna keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep boiling, keep mixing, boiling, boiling, Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look when it's almost over. Mixing 8, boiling 8, mixing 8, boiling 8. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my favorite moringa leaves. That is just gonna make it even better. If y'all don't know about moringa, I'm gonna leave a link to my moringa videos down in the description below so that you could learn about moringa. That's something else that is awesome. It's almost done. When you see the aloe vera is pretty much almost dissolved, then you know it's good. The aloe vera inside it will get all clumpy and you know it's ready to go. So I let it cool and then I'm gonna strain it. And there you have it, aloe vera oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.